This is mud water. And yes, it is called that.
That's the actual name
of the product.
It would be totally appropriate for you to wonder why a coffee alternative filled with adaptogens would be named after wet dirt.
Wet dirt is the source of a lot of things that are relatively important to us.
Like plants.
And mushrooms.
And mud wrestling. It's signed.
Jealous.
With 1/7 the caffeine of coffee, you get focus and energy without the jitters, crash, or sleep. It's made from cacao.
From the Latin theobroma, cacao, known for promoting natural energy and occasionally becoming chocolate.
Solid chai.
A feel-good blend of black tea and functional spices.
Turmeric.
A colorful root that contains antioxidants and is confusing to spell.
Himalayan salt.
Salt. Himalayan.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. And 4 adaptogenic mushrooms. Chaga.
Promotes a healthy immune system.
Reishi.
The ancient mushroom of immortality. For mood support.
Cordyceps.
For all natural energy.
Lion's mane.
Supporting mental clarity and in no way involving lying.
We're very proud to say that these mushrooms are grown in Carlsbad, California.
Everything in here is organic, Whole30, vegan.
And your tin is recyclable, upcyclable, and remarkably easy to look at.
But most importantly, drink it.
Drink the mud into your body.